So we've got most of the driver's side of the floor all patched up and sealed up with the seam sealer. There's a little bit of rust starting on the left side, but I'm not going to spend the extra time to clean it up like the driver's side. So instead we're going to use fluid film waxed base undercoating. I've just wire brushed all the loose rust and scraped with a putty knife to get all the shale off, and now I'm going to put a coating of this on just to keep the salt and road dirt out in the water so that hopefully we never have to do the passenger side again. Once I've done this, then I'm going to continue with the rest of the undercoating on the passenger side, and then we'll be ready to put the center cross member back in.
Okay, so that should about do us. While I was doing that. Oh, no. That's the end of the tube.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
It's not the way it was supposed to go. Okay. See if I can be more successful this time.